Folks, that's me out again there. We're going to go up Loughshannagh here, Slieve Loughshannagh. As we look around us here, it's the longest day of the year, the solstice, so we'll see how we get on. But we're carrying a lot of weight up us, so hopefully we'll make it alright. Hopefully the sun's not too hot. But I'll bring you back as we go on up. Well, folks, we're on our way up. As you can see, this is as far as we've got so far. If you're hearing wind noise, as I usually say, I'll try my best to get rid of it. But there's a wee bit of mist, but there's where our plan is, with far too much weight with us. But we'll see how we get on. But if I don't get up, as long as we get up to the wall, we've always somewhere to camp. That's where you don't want to walk on them, holding the ground with water on through. But I'll bring you back as I get on up. Hopefully not too close to you there, scare the life out of you. But I'll see you later. Bye. Folks, that's us up at the wall there, just up from the car park. This is what we're looking at now at the minute. There's Karen, and you see Binion there in the background. And there's Dawn poking up. There's Lamagan. And there's Slieve Loughshannagh. That's their destination for the night. And we're nearly there, so we'll bring you back at the top. Start getting sorted out. Good luck. Well, folks, that's just halfway up. Maybe a look at the views we're getting now. That's great, isn't it? You couldn't beat that there. Longest day of the year, and it's still high in the sky, so we'll bring us back when we get up to the top. Bye. Folks, as you can see, there's a bit of cloud, but this is where we're perched for the night here. And you can see down in the Bancrome reservoir there, and there's Loughshannagh down below us here. We're on Slieve Loughshannagh, the mountain, and there's Karen, and there's Muck. But it's lovely. We've got a lovely night. Just hope them clouds don't come over here and ruin it for us. You can see behind us there's the sun on the longest day of the year, solstice, what do you call it? So I'll bring us back and put these tents up. Yeah, folks, that's the two tents up anyway, and it's in the tent. I'm gonna start cooking a wee bit of food. We're on top of, as I say, Loughshannagh with one up, so it was a tight enough one because we carried a lot of food and a lot of drinks with us as well. Because why not? It's a Saturday night and it's the longest day of the year. We don't get up mountains that often together, so we'll make the most of it. I'll just show you what I'm on tonight. There you go. Back by popular request. I've done the wee beer tasting last time. There's a couple in there I think I've had before, so I'll bring you back when I'm trying one anyway. But I need to get food on as well. I'll talk to you soon. Folks, back by popular demand. I want to do a wee beer tasting again on the IPAs again. This is that one I did have before. Loop allowed. I don't know. You can't see it. That's what it looks like to me. But it's 6.7. And I was told I didn't review the beer last time. I just drunk it. So I'll try and tell you what it tastes like this time. There you go, all over the place. Here we go. Yeah, just it's beer with fruit. It's a fruity taste in the beer, but it's a bit tangy that one. It's not. Right, folks. Our setup tonight is going to be the Soto Windmaster. It's a brilliant wee stove in the wind. Like I don't need to put a windshield around it or nothing. So we're going to go with steak tonight with spicy rice. We'll call it spicy rice because there's spices going in that. We'll have a wee dab of sweet chilli in it as well. But it should be nice. We'll cook the steaks first and then we'll maybe slice them up into it. We'll see how we get on anyway. Here we go. There is a bit of a breeze here up here tonight, but not too bad. I'm just going to burn a wee bit. What I don't want to burn them. Don't know what they look like. Yeah. I'll bring these back and I get a wee bit of colour in them. Before you go, here we go. The Space King. Here we go, what's that look like? Hot. There you go. There's cayenne pepper and chili flakes. So it should be hot enough first. But we'll add some into the rice as well, so we will. That'll do, bring it back. There we go, folks, that's just nearly there. I'll take them off now and I'll slice them up and then I'll get them on and get the rice on. But should be nice. Would you tag along to them? Would you? I'll do anyway. I'll bring this back. So folks, that's the rice we're using here now. We're just going to fry it up here now. So, I'll bring this back when it's done. Bye. Right folks, that's the rice on. So we've decided to make egg fried rice. So let's see how it comes out. There's a handy wee job there for bringing the eggs up the mountains way. There, where we go with this now, see where we get on. It's missing something. Well, how do we drop this in it? There you go. Egg fried rice with chili and cayenne pepper. Up a mountain in the Mournes. What do you think of that? Bring us back. There's your fried rice done. Well, we're going to add the meat now, and then we'll have a wee drop of sweet chili sauce with it as well. So, should be nice. I'll show you the end result. Here we go now. We're gonna add the sweet chili sauce here. Yeah, what's that look like? Huh? Oh, I'm looking forward to this. There we go, folks. Egg fried rice steak with sweet chili sauce, cayenne pepper, and chili flakes. Does that not look nice? And I forgot to say to you, in the mountains. Good luck. There we go, folks. Finishing result. We get the wee plate cleaned now and get it up for me and Sheree here. So we're going to enjoy this after our hike up. But I'll bring you back. Does that look the port? Look. Look. They smelt my food and they're coming running up the mountain. They can't get it. I don't manage any more or not. Look. What are you looking? Yeah, not happy. What are you not happy about? Yeah. Oh. Well, folks. Yeah. That's the dinner over. Actually, it was nice. It was nice. You didn't have to say so myself. Yeah. I'm on my second beer. Yeah. There you go. When you see me looking like this, you know I haven't got my glasses on, right? But it's 7.2, and it's love and hate. That was my favourite last time I brought beer up a mountain, so we'll try this again. Yeah, that's nice. It's just fruity. It's like a tangy fruit, but not overpowering. And with it being 7.2 strength, it's not really strong. Like it doesn't taste real strong. It's not like drinking vodka or something, you know. But it's nice. You can see that night. I'm out with my wee cheapy sleeping bag. Two pillows there. I'm out in the Lanshan as well. It has give a bit of wind for the morning. It's give it gusts to 30 or something. So we'll see how we get on. If I have to take it down early, we'll take it down and jump in beside Sheree. Take her space up in her tent again. The night's the last. The nights where everything turns around again, when we start losing the sun. Yes, solstice. We can see we're starting to go down behind cloud there, so we'll get a wee look at it. Hopefully get the sunset. The group they've went up to Donner tonight for the sunset, so we're same as well. I hope they all get a good hike and a good sunset as well. We're here till the morning anyway, and obviously we're camping. Well, folks, as I say, there we're just talking outside there and trying to think of what to bring up the mountain with if you were going to go, if you want to even it's up the mountain or camping at all. Yeah, how are you going to clean your pots and pans if you don't have running water, or say the lake you're up a mountain, you don't have it up there. So bring wipes up here, bring baby wipes up here. They do a lot of things, like, you know, you can use them for different things. Clean your forks, your pans, your stove, your table.
Clean your arse.
Well,
I'm only joking. You bring a trowel for that.
I wouldn't really clean my arse with a trowel, like, but whatever, like. Yeah, good luck. There we go, folks. As you can see, we refired it, but as you can also see, it's on the stand, it's off the ground, and there won't be any trace left. We'll not leave no burn marks or scorched ground or anything like that there. It's if you're going to do it, don't put it on the ground. Just for all they are, they're only like 10-15 pound or something like that there, and it keeps the flames out of the ground. And them just wee logs, them wee logs you get are the B&M or Home Bargains, whatever. They're not expensive, but they're better than bringing a load of timber up here and scorching the ground, making fire pits. It's not needed. But we're having a good night. We're having a good night. We'll bring you back. Bye. Right, folks, just to let you know, I'm on my last beer. It's President. This is the one that was sort of like going to put me asleep. It's only 9.2 it is. But we've had a good night. The wind's held out a bit. And as I say, one my last beer, so we're getting there. Sunset didn't happen. We got a bit of a sunset down to the clouds, and then after that there it didn't come out to the bottom of the cloud, if you know what I mean, so we didn't really get a sunset. I'm looking around here around the mountains, I'm seeing a few head torches and stuff about the place, so a couple of fires and whatever. But everybody's out for the same thing. Out to enjoy themselves. As long as they clean up after themselves and you wouldn't know they're here, then it's not a problem. But here we go. This is the last one, and this is the strongest one, so wish me luck. I wouldn't say it's the nicest beer I've ever drank, like, but you can feel it. You can feel it's strong. Yeah, you get a digger of this one. Maybe this one will put me over for the night. But I'll bring it back later on if anything happens. But this will do me for the night. I'll talk to you some more. Good luck. Bye. Why you can hear me or not, it is one day. But this is where we were last night. That's where the 2 tents was. And as you can see, no trace left, no scorched ground, none of that. But it is windy. So that's us getting down now. I don't know if we'll do any recording at the bottom or not. If I don't, as usual, thanks for watching. And it was just this wee short one there of just me and Shree having a night up the mountains. But thanks for watching. If you can hear me, thank you. Bye.